The simple idea was to introduce time of performing a function and space of performing a function as two universal parameters that can characterize any action. I will be showing you some examples, and it will be clear why these parameters were selected. Okay, let us consider our favorite example when we teach. All of us are teaching or explaining function analysis to our colleagues, and I'm sure everyone uses toothbrush example. And this is the classical model at the high hierarchical level. We have a toothbrush, we have a plug as a target, and toothbrush removes plug. Okay, useful function, and the level of performance is insufficient. Why insufficient? Because our dentists recommend that we use mouthwash, we use floss in order to perform this function more adequately. We also have a number of harmful functions. Toothbrush damaged gums, toothbrush damaged teeth, and teeth hold plug. Okay, so this is the classical approach. We can document these four function disadvantages: one insufficient useful function, and three harmful functions. Good. Now let us apply advanced function approach. Let us ask question when and where. For example, toothbrush removes plug. Where? So we have to understand that our teeth have many surfaces. They have front surface, back surface. They also have the surface between teeth. And what is more important, some plugs are collected under the gum. Still, teeth hold this plug, and also gum holds this plug. And current toothbrush doesn't perform this function. It doesn't remove plugs from this area under the gum. What else? When we are brushing our teeth, we are removing plugs, but at the same time, we are damaging our teeth simultaneously, same time, because of the abrasive properties of the toothpaste, because of mechanical action of the bristles, etc. At the same time, we also damaging our gums. Toothbrush insufficiently removes plug from the inner and flank surface of teeth. That's exactly why we use floss and other tools to remove plugs from there. So if you compare these findings and that findings, you may see that with this set of disadvantages, we are much more precise, we are much more focused. Some people may argue that having this picture, this diagram, we can build cause and effect chain and we will find out all these disadvantages. I do not argue with that, but with my experience, when you build a function model with your team or alone, you are more focused on the very specific things which are happening in your system. When you build cause and effect chain, you are looking in this and that direction. You are not that focused. So that is why I believe when we use this time and space characteristics for enhancing function model, it is really, really useful.